Good morning students, welcome to chemistry simplified தமிழ். இன்னைக்கு நான் நம்மளுடைய வீடியோ சேனலில் ஒரு முக்கியமான கொஸ்டின் லெசன் வந்து ரெடாக்ஸ். இப்போ இந்த லெசன் இந்த வீடியோ யாருக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னா +1 ரெடாக்ஸ் லெசன் நாலேஜ் இருக்கிற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு தான் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். எனிஹவ் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. +1 to +2 போகிற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு இதை பார்க்கலாம். இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் நீட் அண்ட் ஜேஇ கொஸ்டின் இப்போ பார்க்கலாம். கொஸ்டின்: The equivalent weight of Cl2 is 47.33 gram in the following disproportionation reaction. The Cl2 plus OH minus gives Cl minus plus water plus oxidized product. அதாவது ஒன்று வந்து reduced product 0 to -1, இன்னொன்று வந்து oxidized product. Molar mass of the chlorine is 71 gram. The oxidized product is. ஸோ இந்த oxidized product அப்படின்னு அவங்க எதை கேட்டிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா Cl இங்கே இருக்கிற ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் நீ என்னென்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம் அப்படின்னா even if it is not clear mean we'll go ahead with that. Okay, 1 minute. I think this option is not clear, so we will delete this one. We will keep ahead. Okay, yes, what could be the options they are asking mean ClO minus, ClO2 minus, ClO3 minus, ClO4 minus. So what could be the product they are asking? Okay, in each one you find out the oxidation state of chlorine. Here oxidation state you keep the, here it is X plus oxygen is -2 is equal to -1. So X is equal to, now -2 become +2, 2 minus 1 is equal to +1. So now on this carbon the oxidation number is +1. So if you are going, this is here you are having 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 it's become 3. Here 3 2s are 6 minus 1 it's become 5. Here 4 2s are 8 minus 1 it is 7. So now they are asking what is the next product? What is this product? Oxidized product is any one of them. Please identify, that is only they are asking. Okay. Now let us see one by one. Disproportionation means this is one is oxidized and it should be the reduced. Now in the case Cl, this is Cl2 is in the oxidation state of 0, it's become minus, so that is it is reduced. Okay, in the case of disproportionation reaction, the two things you have to keep it in the mind. இதில் வந்து நம்ம எப்படி இதை நம்ம அப்ரோச் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறேன். 1 minute. 1 minute student. Yes. First you should know what is the meaning of disproportionation reaction. Same element getting oxidized and reduced is called as a disproportionation. You have to calculate, the thing is first you should calculate. First we should calculate the, what is it called as a equivalent weight of, equivalent weight. Okay. Then from that you can find out the, what is it called as a n factor. Okay, we can call it as a n factor. So then third one you can call it as a oxidized product. Okay, let us see for how we can calculate the equivalent weight. So equivalent weight is equal to molar mass. I think the equivalent weight is given. Okay, why it is not this step, of course. This is, you have to find out the n factor. Now you should straight away find out the n factor. So step number 1 to calculate the n factor. Okay, equivalent weight is equal to molar mass divided by the n factor. So what is the equivalent weight is given is 47.33 is equal to molar mass is 71 divided by n factor. So now on simplification, n factor is equal to 71 divided by 47.33. This is approximately, we can get it as a, by exact calculation also you will get it a 1.5. இதை எப்படி நீ கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்னா, இதை நீ 75ன்னு வச்சுக்க, இது 15 வச்சுக்க. அப்போ 75 50 வந்து 3/2 ஆகும். 3/2 you can call it as a 1.5 or you can call it as a 3/2. Both are the same, of course. Okay, now I am keeping 3/2. So next one, for this disproportionation reaction, so n factor you got it. N factor is 1.5 or the, it is the n factor is, or the n factor is, yes, 1.5 or it is 3/2. Now we are moving to the second step. Okay, now n factor for disproportionation reaction, the formula is n factor is equal to, n factor of the total is equal to Okay, so before going to that, how you are going to derive this formula, I can say, actually here multiplication, isn't it? Now I can write the multiplication. N factor 1 into n factor 2 divided by n factor 1 plus n factor 2. So this is the formula. So now how you are getting this formula, we will see. Now this is your formula for disproportionation, n factor for the disproportionation reaction. This is the formula for disproportionation reaction. Okay. Now how you are getting this one is, you can write how you are reaching the formula is 1 by n. Yes. One by nf is equal to 1 by nf1 plus 1 by nf2. அதாவது ஃபஸ்ட்டு சேஞ்சில் இருக்கிற nf change in oxidation number and then change in oxidation number in the second stage. Okay, this is the formula I am developing. Okay, next in this case you are putting the LCM. You will write nf1 into nf2. Here you can write nf1 plus nf2. Okay, wow. Now this is 1 by nf. You want nf mean just reciprocal. nf is equal to now nf1 into nf2 divided by nf1 plus nf2. So this is the formula what I have written here. You can see here. Now this is the formula. Both multiply, divide by addition. Now multiply, divide by addition. So this is the way how we are getting the formula. Okay, because suppose any doubt you are having, mean you can என்னது இதை டெவலப் பண்ணிக்கலாம். பட் இதை வந்து நான் எதுக்கு எடுத்துகிட்டு வரேன்னா, மறந்துடுச்சு அப்படின்னா ஏதாவது சந்தேகம் வந்ததுன்னா நீ இதை டெவலப் பண்ணிவிடு. ஸோ இன் திஸ் ஃபார்முலா now let us see here what is nf1. now let me write here nf1. what is nf1 is, how you are getting is this one. In this equation you see the oxygen here 0 oxidations to -1. So now you can say for 1 Cl the change in oxidation state is 1. For 2 Cl the change in oxidation state 1 into 2. So first இதில் change in oxidation number அல்லது n factor அப்படிங்கிறது 2. ஸோ அப்போ nf1 நம்ம என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். according to the change we are identified as the 2. Now let us go to the formula. Total nf is equal to nf, formula is nf1 okay into nf2 divided by nf1 plus nf2. this is the formula. Now what is the n factor we have identified? For this we have identified the n factor is 3 by 2 is equal to nf, and this one we have identified as a 2 into nf2 divided by what is this is already we know 2 plus nf2. ஸோ இதிலேருந்து நீ என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம் அப்படின்னா, இந்த nf2வை நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். எப்படின்னா இதை இங்கே எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்துடுங்க. ஸோ நவ் ஐ am multiply this one with the 3. ஸோ 3 into 2 plus n factor 2. this is simply 2 is equal to 2 into 2n factor 2. okay, அப்போ இதுக்கு 3 2s are 6 plus 3n factor 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4n factor 2. அப்போ next you can bring it here. what is it? 6 is equal to இந்த 3 அந்த சைடு போச்சுன்னா ப்ளஸ் மைனஸ் ஆகும். ஸோ you are having nf2 is equal to this is not square nf2. this you call it as a nf2. so n factor 2 is equal to 6. ஸோ இப்போ இதை தான் நம்ம என்ன